Hello everyone and welcome. In today's topic, this video we're going to work on the topic Google Workspace versus Microsoft 365. Now we're going to dive into it and see, because we're getting questions on which is better, which is better, Microsoft 360 or Google Workspace. So everything you need to know on them, we're going to work on it today. So we're starting like this. What is Google Workspace and Microsoft 365? I believe we all know what that is. So in summary, Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 are both comprehensive productivity suites, or in this case, suites, offering a range of tools for businesses and individuals. Now we're going to go into a detailed comparison of them. Let's start with Google Workspace. The strengths: strong collaboration. Google Workspace excels in real-time collaboration features with seamless integration across its suite of applications. That is Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Meet. Number 2, the second strength it has is that it is a user-friendly interface. It has a user-friendly interface. It is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to adopt. 3. Excellent search functionality. Google's powerful search capabilities makes it easy to find files, emails, and other information within the workspace. Number 4. Strong mobile apps. Google Workspace offers robust mobile apps for all its applications, ensuring seamless productivity on the go. Number 5. Have I said number 5 before? Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5, competitive pricing. Generally, Google Workspace is more affordable than comparably Microsoft 365 plans. Now let's look at its weaknesses. Offline capabilities. Number 1. While improving, offline functionality can be less robust compared to that of Microsoft 365. Number 2. Advanced features. Google Workspace may lack some of the advanced features and customization options available in 365, particularly for enterprise-level users. Now let's go to Microsoft 365. Let's look at the strengths. Strength number 1, powerful applications. Microsoft 365 offers industry-standard applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, known for their robust features and compatibility. Number 2, strong offline capabilities. Microsoft 365 provides robust offline functionality, allowing users to work offline and sync changes later. Number 3, extensive integration. Microsoft 365 seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft products and services such as Windows, Azure, and Teams. Number 4, is that number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. Advanced security and compliance. Microsoft 360 offers robust security features and compliance options for businesses. Now let's look at the weaknesses. Weakness is that Microsoft 360 can be more complex. The interface can be more complex for some users compared to Google Workspace. Number 2, pricing. Microsoft 365 can be more expensive than Google Workspace, especially for large organizations. Now, here's a table summary of the key differences. Feature: Google Workspace, Microsoft 365. Let's go. On that feature, we have collaboration. Google Workspace has an excellent real-time collaboration, while Microsoft 365 may require more setup. User interface. Feature 2. Google Workspace is generally more user-friendly, while Microsoft can be more complex for some users. Feature 3. Offline capabilities. Google Workspace is still improving but is not as robust as Microsoft 365, which has a strong offline capability. Number 4, applications. Google Workspace has the following applications: Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Meet, and Gmail. While Microsoft 365 has Google Docs. Google Docs, that's a mistake. I made a mistake there. Yes, there is no way Microsoft 365 has Google Docs. It has Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and every other Microsoft stuff. So let me quickly delete this. Yep, it should be Excel, PowerPoint. You'll make mistakes. PowerPoint. I hear you judging me. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Access, and the rest of them. Can't remember the rest. Anyway, moving on to integration. Now, Google Docs seamlessly integrates within Google ecosystem, while Microsoft 365 has a strong integration within Microsoft ecosystem. So within their individual ecosystem, they have strong integrations and they integrate seamlessly all as well. Moving on to security and compliance. Google Docs has, is it Google Docs? Wow. Sorry. Google Workspace has robust security features, but maybe less comprehensive than that of Microsoft 365 for enterprise level needs, because Microsoft 365 has extensive security and compliance features. The last feature is pricing. Microsoft 365 is more expensive, especially for large organizations, while Google Workspace is generally more affordable. So after all comparison, contrasting, we've checked it all. What is the best choice? Now is the answer. The best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. You need to consider factors like your team's technical expertise. Are you looking for a user-friendly platform or one with more advanced features? Then you need to consider your budgets. Compare pricing plans and choose the option that best fits your budget. Then consider your collaboration needs. How important is real-time collaboration and seamless file sharing within your team? If you can answer all those questions, it should be easy for you to make the best choice. Then the last question you should ask yourself is, do you already use other Google or Microsoft products? If you already use other Google products, then just continue with Google Workspace. If you already use Microsoft products, then continue with Microsoft Workspace, because they have seamless collaboration in their ecosystem, in their individual ecosystem. So ultimately, the best way to determine the best fit for your needs is to try out the free trials of both platforms and see which one best fits your workflow and preferences. I hope this comparison helps you to make an informed decision. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone.